Hello, Jeremy.
Thank you.
Today we have some questions.
Okay.
And first, what industry are the application of electro permanent lithium magnets? Can you explain for our customer?
Yeah, sure. Electropermanent lifting magnets are mostly used in the windmill industry, automation, and in the steel industry.
Okay. Wind power maybe is our main customer this year.
Yes, exactly. We have a lot of customers in the windmill industry this year.
Yes. And the second, compare the electromagnets. What advantage is the electropermanent magnets?
Well, first of all, it's way faster than conventional clamping with chains. It's safer, and it's better for energy consumption than regular electromagnets.
Yes. So more and more customers accept the electropermanent magnets.
Yes, exactly. Like now, each year we see more and more new projects and new customers who are using our magnets, and they're very happy with our service and our products.
Yes, very good. And the third, we would like to know the prospects of the electromagnets in future.
Yes, of course. Like I said, more and more customers are started to use the electropermanent lifting magnets, especially in the windmill industry. And each year we see more and more new windmills. So more and more customers for the electropermanent lifting magnets. So it's a bright future.
Yes. So we think we will have good result, good marketing in future.
Yeah,
Okay.
of course. Of course.
Let's hard working.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay.